So myself Sabina Devi, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics. Okay. So in previous video, I explained about the space and the cubic structure, right? So in previous video, I explained about the number of atoms by units and the coordination number of space and cubic structure. So in today's video, I am going to explain about the atomic radius and the atomic packing factor of FCC structure, right? So we know about FCC structure, right? Okay. So the atoms has two layers of arrangement. So in FCC structure, in its corner it has 8 corner atoms and each faces it has a mid of the face it has the atom, right? So it has 6 face centered atoms and 8 corner atoms, right? Okay. So the number of atoms possessed by unit cell is 4, right? So each and every corner was had by 8 adjacent unit cell. So the number of atoms contributed by the corner is 1. So the number of atoms contributed by the face is 3. Total it has 4 nearest plus 4 atoms per unit cell, right? Okay. So the coordination, we find the value of coordination number, right? So the coordination number is nothing but number of nearest neighbors. In FCC structure we have 12 nearest neighbors, right? So in this video I am going to explain about the atomic radius and the area of FCC structure. Okay. So first we have to find the atomic radius. Okay, so considering FCC structure, all the phases are same. Okay, so let us consider any one of the phases. A, B, C, D. Okay, so A, B, C, D. So each corner has atoms at the same time. So inside the structure it has a one atom, right? Okay. So inside the structure it has one atom, right? So now, so the diameter of A from D is A atom has radius R, so D atom has radius R. So inside the structure, in the middle of the face, it has a one atom, so it has a diameter 2R, right? So AD is equivalent to R plus 2R plus R is equivalent to 4R. Okay, so this is the cubic structure because all sides are equal. So AB is equal to AB is equal to BD is equal to CD is equal to AC is equal to A. Okay, so all the sides are equal. So now let us consider the triangle. So A, C, D. Okay, so let us consider a triangle A, C, D. So now apply Pythagoras theorem to this triangle. So apply Pythagoras theorem to the triangle A, C, D. So now AD square is equal to, so AC square, so AC square plus CD square. Okay, so now let us consider triangle ACD. So now we are applying Pythagoras theorem to this triangle. So AD square is equal to AC square plus DC square. So substitute the value of AD here. So what is the value of AD here? So AD is equal to 4R. So AC and CD has the values A. So substitute here. 4R the whole square is equal to A square plus A square. So expand this equation, we will get 16R square is equal to 2A square. R square is equal to 2A square by 16. R is equal to root 2A by 4. So this is the atomic radius of face centered cubic structure, right? So next we have to find the atomic packing factor, AP here. So AP is the ratio of, so the number of atoms per unit cell into volume of atom divided by volume of unit cell. Okay, so now substitute the values. So the number of atoms possessed by a unit cell in FCC is 4. The volume of atom is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So because the atom has the same sphere, the sphere volume is 4 by 3 pi r cube, right? Next, the volume of unit cell. So here the unit cell is FCC structure. That means face centered cubic structure. So here the unit cell is cube. So cube volume is A cube. So substitute atomic radius value. So what's the value of R here? So root 2A by 4. Substitute here. So 4 into 4 divided by 3 pi root 2A by 4 the whole cube divided by A cube. So the pi value and total value, we get the so we get the value of 74%. Okay, so 0.74, that means 74%. So from this value we concluded that 74% of space was occupied by atoms. So remaining 26% is empty. So compared to simple cubic structure and the BCC structure, so FCC has tightly packed structure. So because in a simple cubic structure only 52% only 52% space was only occupied by atoms. So in BCC only 68% of space was occupied by atoms, but in FCC 74% of space was occupied by atoms. Okay, so compared to BCC and simple cubic structure, so FCC has tightly